Hello everyone, Amber Irwin here, Social Speak Network. Today I want to talk about why your social media marketing isn't working and how to fix it. So some common reasons why social media marketing isn't working for your company. One is you may not have clear goals. Posting consistently is great, and that is, an important factor of your social media marketing plan. But making sure you have clear goals. Are you wanting to increase your engagement? Are you wanting to sell more of your products or your services? What is it that your goals are for your social media strategy? And making sure that your blogs, your videos, your social media content, all of that aligns and that message is clear to your audience, which leads into number 2, not understanding your audience. And this sometimes can be difficult because it depends on the industry you're in. And when people say, what is your ideal client, that can be difficult to identify. And it could be multiple different ideal clients, different pillars of what these clients look like. So with your audience, looking at your analytics, looking at who they are, looking at, where they're at geographically, their age, are they male, female, looking at who, if you have a brick and mortar, who's coming into your store, who's buying from you. If you have a virtual store or an e-commerce store, what does that audience look like? And making sure that the content you're putting together, those goals you have, align with your audience's needs. And so this is an interesting topic because let's say your target audience is busy moms. Then your content should reflect their lifestyle. It should be, if you have a online, let's just say a health and nutrition blog, your social media topics should be around healthy, quick recipes, family hacks, stress-free hacks, things that are going to alleviate that pain for your audience. So looking at what are their pain points. So making sure that you really are understanding your audience. And a great way to be able to do this is surveying your audience. Put together a Survey Monkey. MailChimp also has a survey option feature as well, which is great. Put together, are you wanting content around this or that? Do you find videos or blogs more helpful? Ask those questions and send it out to your email list. Have an email sign up as people are checking out. Ask them a few questions. So really get to know who your audience is and the type of content they want to see from you. Number 3 is focusing too much on selling and not engaging. And there can be that fine line between selling and educating. And so you really have to have this 80-20 rule. 80% of the time, it should be about providing value, education, helpful tips, helpful tricks, stories, behind the scenes, testimonials. 20% of the time, it should be about selling. This is a product of the week. This is the sell this month. This is the services I offer. This is what I'm looking for. Because you don't want to, we all see that in our newsfeed as we're scrolling, and sometimes we get sold. We're like, oh my God, this person's, what are they doing? And sometimes it works, but then there's the people that we see that we're like, oh my gosh, they're selling another product. They're always selling something. And we get annoyed by that because we don't want to be sold. We want to really be able to connect with people. And that's, that 80-20 rule, even if it's products, you can educate people on products. You can highlight that product without being too salesy. So there's that, again, that fine line there. Number 4, ignoring the data and analytics. So every platform you use, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, WordPress, Reddit, whatever you use to put YouTube, to put your content out there, they all have amazing analytics. And they do this so you can, again, be able to understand your audience. Who is viewing your videos? Who is looking at your content? Where are they at? If you're blogging and on your WordPress site, you see that through Google Analytics, you see that most of your traffic's coming from another country, but you don't do business there, that may be something to look at. If you are specific in a state, let's say, I just do business in Florida, but I have people coming from Colorado or Connecticut or California to my site, then I may want to look at, okay, can I expand my services? Now, my service I can offer anywhere in the world, so it doesn't matter where that traffic's coming from, but it's still important to pay attention to that. Most importantly, where are people clicking from your social media platforms to your website? Where is that traffic coming from? Is it coming from YouTube? Is it coming from paid social? Is it coming from organic social, from Facebook, from Instagram, from Pinterest? Pinterest is a overlooked gold mine for a lot of people, and you can really increase your website traffic by having a strategy with Pinterest. But paying attention to those insights and those analytics is really going to be able to help you fine tune your content and take it to the next level. Number 6 is inconsistent posting. As I mentioned in the beginning, consistency is king, but you have to have that strategy. So if you have this great strategy, but you're only posting maybe once a week or maybe every other week, you need to stick to at least 3 times per week, bare minimum. That's what we do for our clients, is at least 3 times a week, if not 5 times a week, depending on, again, what their goals are and what that strategy looks like. So a few things that you can do to adjust these mistakes, I'm going to say, but be able to see that return, is being able to sit down and really identify what those clear goals are. What are you wanting to get out of your social media strategy? Looking at your audience, surveying them, finding out what's important to them, what do they want to hear more about, creating engagement creating content that sparks that engagement, and really start paying attention to this two-way street of social media, commenting on other people's posts, liking others' posts. As somebody comments on your post, reply to them. Be consistent with your strategy. Look at your analytics and your insights and adjust when needed. If you are looking for help with creating a strategy or someone to be able to manage your social media marketing, that is what we do here at Social Speak Network. We work with businesses, small to large, to really fine-tune a clear digital marketing strategy that works for you and your budget and allows you to see results every month. So I would love to speak with you and learn more about your business and how we can grow your social media and digital marketing strategy together. Thank you.